We're doing the Nyan Cat Challenge. Let's do this! So, let's see if this... Oh shit! It's happening! Oh my god! No! The Nyans are invading! Yes, save! Hurry, guys! Before it's too late! Before the Nyans take over! Hurry! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that button exists. You have to do the Nyan challenge. Sky high! Let's do this! The Nyans are invading. This is so intense! I'm like really good at sky high now. I remember when I joined no jump, I could not even get halfway there. But now I'm really good at it. That's like really easy. I mean sky high. Yeah, whenever I play I usually oh my gosh. Sometimes this whoops right now it's so easy for me. Oh no. We're at the bottom. We're coming. Oh my gosh! Okay guys, the trick is see the clouds when the Nile is there. So remember where they are. So if you get the opportunity to see the cloud, make sure you memorize. There's a cloud right there. Using my logic, I use it. Ah! Ah! I know. Let's try again. Why did you go silent at me? No, guys, I'm not editing because I don't edit my videos because if I was editing I would actually like make it. Okay, I'm doing very good considering the sounds are like covering the screen so much. Ah! Big around! There's you lions! No. So let's try to play Jam without it. No, can't play Jam with nouns or anything. Lion has I can barely see the screen. Oh my god. I'm scared. Okay, so that's all. Bye, jammers! And thank you for watching the Nyan Cat Challenge. But before we do, let's go to YouTube. BRB. Anyways, the Nyan Challenge is made by Apari. So, well, at least the 2015 edition. Julian 2 and made one, and so did Smiley Smile, sort of. I haven't seen Julian 2's video, mostly because his channel got deleted, like some drama with Lilac Petal and Julian 2, I think, like a long time ago, which made people hate Lilac Petal and Julian 2. And at first I hated them. I started watching Lilac Petal's videos and I liked her, but I still didn't like Apari. Not Apari, I mean Julian 2. Apari's cool. And then I started watching a Julian 2's videos, and I really like his videos. They're both really cool jammers, and you should check out their channels. Also check out Wolfie Cat and Narwhal, or I will destroy you all. Just kidding. Now you should subscribe to Apari, Wolfie Cat, Narwhal, Lilac Petal, Julian too, Rainbow the Cat, Smiley Smiles, or you're gonna have bad time. No, I am not playing Undertale. I'm sorry.